So what I got to replace what I have currently on the Jeep is this heavy duty 3/8 winch hook. And this should allow me to be able to close the winch up and have it more to the side so I can close that my license plate. I also got a Joytutus license plate mount, so this will slide down where the winch goes, and I can raise it up if I have to winch, put it back down, the license plate will go right here. So we're gonna install this bad boy. In here, working on the TJ right now, got it in the garage. Gonna try to work on this license plate. G's looking pretty good. Trying to figure out all the issues small issues we got to work on it with. So that's what we're doing today. All right, so I live in Southern California, and one thing we have to have is a front license plate. And there's no good place to put the license plate here on the front of this Jeep, right? I don't want to drill holes into the bumper or anything. And it has this big winch hook that we have here, or winch location right here, right? Can't put my license plate there, even with the bracket that I have. So I'm gonna replace this with a different hook that I bought. So that's the next project I'm working on here. All right, so step number one, I gotta get this bad boy off here, this tumble, whatever they call it. Let me see if I can get this thing off. Of course, the tool I need, when I need it, can't find it, but I'm gonna try to get it off and improvise. All right, so I got it all mounted up. It's looking pretty good, nice and level. Where's my level at? Looking pretty good. That bubble's almost perfect, not quite, but looking good. Can raise up, get to the winch hook right here. It's away. It's not gonna be bothered anymore. Put it back down, right there. It's good to go. So now I can drive and not worry about the po-po. So that's the project done here. So anyway, I have the Joytutus license plate mount on there, and I have the Autobots winch hook on. It was a fairly simple job. Took me, I don't know, half hour to get it on. I spent more time working with that cotter pin than I did with the install. So it's fairly easy. And when you get this Jeep, you know, just trying to find all the little errors it has on it, the little things we have to correct. Big Bob's back in here. Peace in the man.